equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of repairing the Thermomix TM31, specifically focusing on the blade and plate. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a small brush for dust removal. Start by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety. Next, remove the bowl from the base. To access the blade, you will need to unscrew the central screw located at the bottom of the bowl. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove this screw. Keep it in a safe place as you will need it later. Once the screw is removed, gently lift the blade out of the bowl. Be cautious, as the blades are sharp. Inspect the blade for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it may be time to replace it. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice on your repair options. Now, let's clean the internal components of the bowl. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the inside, removing any food residue. For stubborn bits, a small brush can help dislodge debris. This step is crucial as it ensures that your Thermomix operates efficiently after the repair. Next, let's focus on the plate. Check for any cracks or warping. If the plate is damaged, it's advisable to replace it. To do this, simply lift it out of the bowl. If you need assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your appliance serviced without any hassle. Once you have inspected and cleaned both the blade and plate, it's time to reassemble. Place the blade back into the bowl, ensuring it sits correctly. Reinsert the central screw and tighten it securely with your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure it's snug, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. After reassembling, give the bowl another quick clean to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Now, it's time to test your Thermomix. Plug it back in and run a short cycle to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our team is here to help you get your Thermomix back in top shape. In summary, repairing the Thermomix TM31 blade and plate involves a few simple steps: gathering your tools, removing the blade and plate, cleaning the components, and reassembling everything securely. With a bit of patience and care, you can have your Thermomix running like new again. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.